My name's Brendan Sadgrove and I'm the Director of Innovative Production Services. We service mainly the corporate sector and we do lighting, audio, vision and staging from small scale events right up to large scale events. We have a large array of lighting, audio, vision and staging gear. We have the 3 Roland mixers, the V440 we started off with, then we went to the V1600 and more recently we've bought a few of the V800s. So the main reason we got the V800 is a lot of our events we have multiple laptops and we have cameras that may come in, feeds from stage, might be SDI, DVI, and we could have external sources like IML, which will give us a VGA feed or a RGB HV. We needed something that can accept all these inputs and mix them to however we're outputting. We often output 3G SDI now with the V800 or DVI, so the flexibility is good. It might have been the price point as well. It is less expensive gear to buy, especially the entry-level stuff. And I think when we first bought the V440, it was, a comparable option was probably 4 or 5 times the price. So we started off with that and worked our way up. When we first demoed the Roland equipment, the advantage of it was, and it has been over the whole range of the vision mixers, is the ease of use. It's very simple to use and very quick to learn how to use it. If you don't have to read the instruction manual first, it certainly saves a lot of time. The advantage of having a very simple user interface becomes important when we're either sub-hiring contractors to come and operate, or if the client wants to operate it themselves, it's important that they can figure it out very quickly. You've got to be set up for any situation because with a lot of events we do, clients might turn up with their own laptops or other sources we need to plug in. So we need the flexibility to plug in absolutely anything, and the Roland seems to do that. We use broadcast quality cameras all the time, like the Sony PW700s, and look, all those cameras are outputting full HD, 1080i, and yeah, it works perfect. It does all the analog inputs and all the digital inputs and SDI up to 3G SDI, so it does everything we can expect. It certainly saves a lot of money in purchasing an external multi-viewer system, which we did previously, but with it being built in the V800, it certainly makes the price a huge amount more attractive. And it's very convenient having a multi-viewer because you've got one screen with all of your inputs shown up there, plus your preview program. So it saves space and time to set up. So it's it's definitely a good advantage. The V800 is definitely leading the field at the moment with price and functionality, simply because it can do 3G and most other mixers can't at the moment. The mixers that are 4 or 5 times the price sometimes do have a lot more features and are respected a bit more in the industry, but for the price point at the moment, the V800 is by far the leader in my view. We've got them kitted up in some good racks, and it's just an all-in-one solution that saves me a lot of headache, and yeah, I know it'll be reliable, so it's a good piece of kit.